Gold IRA. Investing in gold. A gold IRA, or investment-grade precious metals IRA, is basically an individual retirement account where funds are invested to provide income. It works much like a traditional IRA, except instead of holding stocks, bonds and mutual funds, it holds gold bullion coins or bars. The key difference between the two is that a gold IRA is not subjected to the same strict regulations as those for a traditional IRA. Many people think that IRA funds can be used to invest in many different areas. This couldn't be further from the truth. Traditional IRA funds are invested primarily in securities such as stocks, bonds and mutual funds. Unlike these investments, there is no minimum amount that you must have in order to start your own IRA. The key to getting started with an IRA is to get one that is right for you. An IRA's main asset is gold. Since gold is considered a fixed yield, and most IRAs do not require investors to hold more than 5% of the account, investing in gold is a relatively inexpensive way to begin investing. The money earned on your IRA can be used to purchase gold bullion and coins for your home. It can also be used to purchase jewelry for yourself. Investing in a gold IRA also provides tax advantages. In the past, IRAs were generally not taxed in the hands of the investor, but that is no longer the case. It is likely that you will have to pay taxes on the funds you receive from your IRA. However, you can take advantage of special provisions that were put into place to encourage IRA holders to buy gold bullion. First, you must know that the amount of money you need to invest in a gold IRA depends largely on how much of it you plan on keeping in a storage facility. The maximum amount you can store in a gold IRA is about $250,000. Second, you must understand that there are special rules that govern how you can use your IRA funds. For example, your IRA may be tax-free, but you may not be able to take it out for any reason, not even to pay a medical bill. Finally, and most important, you must realize that using your IRA for investing in gold bars is prohibited under IRS rules. While IRA custodians will allow you to invest in other bullion and coins, the IRA itself cannot be used as collateral for loans or to purchase gold bullion. As with all IRAs, investing in gold IRA funds is not guaranteed to bring you any returns over time, so it is important to make sure you choose the IRA that is right for you. With careful planning and a little work, your investment can help you live comfortably into your golden years. If you are considering an IRA, you should also consider an IRA custodian. A good IRA custodian will help you choose the IRA that is right for you. They will also be able to help you manage your account. An IRA custodian can help you choose the appropriate IRA custodian if you have any questions about your account. You should be able to contact them without delay. When you do, you should be able to ask any question about your account without penalty. If you need to make changes to your account, your IRA custodian should be willing to make those changes with you or provide a list of alternatives. Also, you can make sure that your IRA custodian is licensed and regulated by the IRA Trustee Commission on Securities Dealers and Brokers. In order to ensure that you are dealing with an honest and reputable firm, they should have been licensed to sell securities for at least 3 years. If you are considering an IRA, you also need to consider what type of IRA you want to open. Many people opt for traditional IRAs. Others opt for Roth IRAs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about wealth building and investing.